Hi everybody, thanks for watching. That little nondescript brown cardboard box is what we're going to review today. That's our new Rockcloud portable camping table, and I'm going to put us on time lapse and open it up. I'm not following the instructions, I'm not reading anything, I just want to see how intuitive it is to set up without any such knowledge. This is a lightweight table, and we're moving towards a more portable lifestyle. We're looking for a match for these. We have a pair of these which fold out to be these without too much trouble. So I'm hoping the table will fit between these for soccer games, outings, maybe even fishing, that sort of thing. Let's go to time lapse. Real life, first time out of the box, maybe 2 minutes. I can see this taking about 30 seconds tops once you know how to do it, and now I know how to do it. So let's talk about this table. It is small, it is diminutive in size. Fits my chairs, what I want, very nicely. Again, made by Rockcloud. It only weighs 2.2 pounds and it folds out to be 16 by 14 by 11.5 inches. We got the green to match our chairs, but it comes in a variety of colors, and the lightweight we already covered. This is made with aerospace grade aluminum alloys. Easy to install. It just clips on. That was the part I didn't know at first. You push these clips on the tabletop once you unfold it into the top of the legs. And it's sturdy. Sturdy, folds up nicely. Lightweight. It can carry a maximum load of 60 pounds, which I can't see setting 60 pounds in here. So it's obviously not a step stool or a chair, it's a table. I like it. Comes with a carrying case. Rockcloud, in case you forget the brand, I guess. I don't know. Doesn't hurt to self-promote. As of the fall of 2023, we got this on Amazon for around $23, so give or take, depending on the Amazon deal going on. But for matching existing small chairs, for having 2 chairs and a table that easily fit into a backpack, so you're not hauling around these 20-pound chairs for a big event. Live light, live well. That's kind of our motto nowadays. We're moving everything smaller. If you want to learn more about these Rockcloud camping tables, I'll stick a link in the description, and you can learn more there, or perhaps pick one up for yourself. Easy to install, easy to put together, and very compact. A decent load and lots of colors to choose from. I recommend it. Thanks for watching.